Hello everyone, welcome back. And today by request, I've been asked to show you how to convert a JPEG file to a PDF file. Now I'm going to show you how to convert quite a few JPEG files to a PDF, either that being one whole PDF or to change each JPEG to a PDF. So if I have 15 JPEGs, I either get one PDF out of it or I get 15 PDFs. So I'm going to show you both ways just in case you got something different in mind. But before I start, make sure to go to my channel and subscribe. If you do watch my videos, please leave a like. It does kind of tell me what kind of content you really enjoy on my channel. And if you haven't already, go over to Elliot Tech Tips on Facebook to follow and like me there. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to convert a selection of JPEGs here to one PDF, and that's really easy to do. So first thing I need to do is grab all of them under one selection. You can either do that by just dragging your cursor across like that, or by pressing Control A and it just grabs them all. You're then going to right click them and you're going to go to print. Don't worry, keep with me. And then you're going to make sure the printer tab goes to Microsoft Print to PDF. Click that. And then obviously, depending on how many JPEGs you have, the longer it will load, depending on how many you have. You need to make sure your paper size is A4. If it isn't, click on More, and then click A4. Your quality size will be 600 by 600, and you want to make sure the picture fits to frame, like that. And if you're not sure if it works all right, just quickly tab through, and you can see whether or not it all fits nicely. It does for me, so I'm happy. It may not all fit totally snug, but for the most part, it'll look great. And now you click print. You're not actually going to print, it's going to ask you to save it somewhere. So I'm going to go here and put PDF worksheets. I'm going to put PDF worksheet booklet, like that. And you click save. And obviously it's going to print, but it's going to print it as in it's going to convert it from JPEG to PDF. So now that's done, I'm going to pop back, go to PDF worksheets where I saved it. There's the booklet. I'm going to double click it to open it up, and it's all there. If obviously you're not happy and you think it needs to be further apart, you can go back and make sure it's not fit to page. At the moment it's landscape. Don't worry, if you just right click it and go to rotate clockwise, it'll put it into portrait for you there. So that is one way to convert lots of JPEGs into PDF or to a PDF booklet. Now I'm going to show you how to convert each individual JPEG into each individual PDF. So to convert an individual JPEG to an individual PDF all separately, we've got to go over to a website called ps2pdf.com. I'll put that in the description below for you guys. So once you get the home page, you're going to go to convert JPEG to PDF, and you're going to click it once and it'll open up. We now need to change a couple of these options so we can get it right. We need to go to here where it says combine question mark. We're going to hit the downward arrow and we're going to say don't combine. That just means we're not going to combine all the images together. We're going to go into margin and we're going to click no margin. And then we're going to go back up and add in our JPEG. So click it once, let it load up. Then you're going to say from local disk, which means from your computer. You're going to go to where they're saved, which for me was downloads, JPEG worksheets. And instead of clicking them all individually, I'm going to click Control A. That just means I click on all of them all together and then click open. It's then going to upload them. And once they're all uploaded, you can see by the upload sign with the kind of turquoise background, you're going to scroll down and click Start Process Now. This just means it's converting it from a JPEG to a PDF. And you know when it's done because it will say completed. And once they're all completed, you will know by it showing you a download files name in green. And then you're going to go to download all. And you're going to click yes. And at the bottom, it will start to download them and show them where they're saved. For me, it will go straight to my downloads folder. So I'm just going to go to my downloads folder. And there they all are. So I'm going to just click on a couple of them just to show you how they turned out. That's really nice. If anything, it might have come out a little bit better than my other process. Click on this one. Perfect. And this one here. Excellent. So there's two ways of doing it. One was to show you how to combine them all together in one PDF booklet, and the other method to show you how to do them all individually. You can do as many as you want. If you obviously do 100 JPEGs, it might take a little bit longer than what I showed you because there is more information to be converted and downloaded. Hope that helps, guys. I'll catch you next time.